I stand in faith with you, believing God to perform a miracle in your life.
I ask you to do this right now, so that you can begin to bring prosperity and money into your life. Use a bill of any denomination. The important thing is that you have in your hand a bill or a coin, and feel the energy of money. And now you are going to say the following. All the doors of abundance open for me at this moment. My mind is a divine operations center, and I now receive all the money and prosperity I desire, through my spoken word. My spoken word now releases all the financial abundance that is mine by divine right. Unexpected doors open and unsuspected channels now release all the money and opportunities I require. All avenues of abundant supply are open to me at this time. I now receive all the financial abundance that is mine by divine right. All the money I want now comes to me under grace and in perfect and wonderful ways. It is done. Type I am abundant if you expect a miracle. Type Amen if you feel abundant. Watch this important message right now,